Okay guys, in this video I am going to be building a project tracker in Google Sheets. So to build a project tracker in Google Sheets, the first thing we need to do is to go to Insert, click on checkbox, then you can bring your checkbox down, populate your table, Control D. Alright, so you can give it a text color. I'm giving it color black. Alright, so the next thing to do is to insert our percentage. Alright, so let's do count if. So let's select this range, comma true. Then let's divide it by count A, which is the number of checkboxes in this range. So, all right, let's close it. Let's press enter. All right, let's try it. 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. All right. So let's turn this percentage. Let's turn this 0.4 to percentage. So this is a percentage. Let's remove the decimal. All right. So we have 40%, 60%, 80%. Okay. So the next one we need to do now is to set the progress bar. Okay. We want to set the progress bar. So we are going to be making use of sparkline function. So we are going to be picking our percentage of completion. You understand? Comma. What kind of charts are we looking at? The chart type, comma. So chart type is bar. Give it a semicolon, max. So what's the max? Max is 1, comma 1, semicolon. Yeah, do color 1. What's color 1? We're picking green. And this one has to be a curly brace. So this one has to be a curly brace. Then close the bracket, enter. So you can now safely drag it down. So let's select this. So this is how to build a tax tracker in Google Sheets. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.